Like and subscribe.
Guys, what is this? Disney Studios Philippines teases Filipino version of the Snow White film's theme song. This is not Wicked. Snow White movie coming up next week is not Wicked. Not Moana 2. Ang dami na ang dami na backlash this sa darating na Snow White. Pero, of course, I'm gonna watch it. So, I can make a review. Dapat gagawa pa kayo ng kanta sa Tagalog. Tingin niyo mag-hit yun? Just kidding. Bahala kayo.
Like and
Like and
subscribe.
subscribe.